If you're in a Scrum team, and especially if you have responsibility for a Scrum team, I have something very special for you. An event that's happening less than a week from today, a live training, Scrumban for Scrum teams. The training is 100% free, although you do need to reserve your spot. I'll tell you how to do that in just a second. But you might be wondering, what is Scrumban and why on earth would my Scrum team need it? Well, your Scrum team might not need it. If your team members are stimulated by the work that they're doing and your stakeholders are delighted with the performance of your team, then keep on doing what you're doing. But know that you are the exception rather than the rule. When I survey my audience, the word that comes up again and again among both team members and stakeholders is frustration. And the helpful advice out there, like stop doing agile and start being agile, well, that only serves to make things worse. It's hardly a step-by-step plan. Which brings us to Scrumban. Even if you've never heard of Scrumban before, you probably guessed that it's some kind of hybrid between Scrum and Kanban, and that's kind of true. What's more true is that Scrumban is a pathway, a set of steps to systematically take Scrum and to transform it, ultimately into something that's no longer Scrum. But, and here's the good news, this step, and this step, and this step, and this step, and even this step all serve to improve Scrum without ever breaking it. We remain 100% Scrum Guide compliant. And it's those 5 steps that I'm going to be focusing in on in the free live training that's coming your way on Tuesday, June the 2nd. The training is called Scrumban for Scrum Teams. Here's what you need to do to reserve your spot. In the description below, you'll find a link. Follow the link. Click the register button at the bottom right. Select your time zone. Enter your name and your email address. I need your email address to send you reminders of the event and your name to be able to do that politely. Click register now. And finally click set reminder to add the event to your calendar. That's important because I do want you to attend live. During lockdown, I've been hard at work and not just growing a beard. I'm going to be telling you exactly what I've been getting up to on that live training. I also have a little something up my sleeve that you'll only get if you show up live. So here are those all important details once again. Find the link in the description below, click the link, click register, enter your name and email address, click register now, and finally click set reminder to add the event to your calendar. Can't wait. Looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday.